Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We also remember to pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, who has shown you mercy and grace. Thank you for the blessings that God has bestowed upon you, Mr. Listio Edi Prabowo, Bachelor of Engineering, will serve as your HTML lecturer, and Mr. Riza Muhammad Nurman, Bachelor of Communication, will serve as your faculty lecturer. Allow you to present ISAS 1 of Group 3 titled Quick Sort. Before starting the presentations, allow me and my friends to introduce yourself. My name is Destri Lia Solistiawati.
My name is Ahmad Farhan Ibrahim.
My name is Muhammad Farhan Budiana.
Definitions of algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of logical steps to solve problems arranged systematically and logically. Logical words is the key word in algorithm. The steps in the algorithm must be logical and must be able to determine whether they are true or false.
Definition of structured data. Structured data is data that has been organized into a formatted repository, typically a database, so that its element can be made addressable for more effective processing and analysis.
So here's our main topic. It's called Quicksort. Quicksort is a data sorting algorithm that uses data splitting techniques into partitions. So this method is also known as partition exchange sort. This algorithm takes one of the elements at random, usually from the middle, called the pivot, and stores all the smaller elements to the left of the pivot and all the larger elements to the right of the pivot.
Algorithm of quicksort. There are three parts to this quicksort algorithm, namely low, high, and pivot. Low is the lower limit or initial index of an array, while high is the end or last index of the array, and the pivot is the reference index. In a normal array that has not been broken down, the low value is 0 because the array starts from the 0 index. As for high, the value is array length -1. And here is the illustration from above.
Choosing pivot in quicksort. In the quicksort algorithm, pivot selections is what determines whether the quicksort algorithm will give the best or worst performance. Here are also some ways to select pivot. 1. The pivot is the first element, the last element, or the middle element of the table. 2. The pivot is randomly selected from one of the table elements. 3. The pivot is the table's median element.
Here's the advantage and the disadvantage of Quicksort. First advantage. First, in general, it has complexity of O and log n. Second, the algorithm is simple and easy to apply to various programming languages and machine architecture efficiently. Third, in practice, it is the fastest of the various sorting algorithms by comparisons, such as merge sort and heap sort. Fourth, performs processing directly on input, in place with a little extra memory. Works well with various types of input data such as numbers and characters. And here's the disadvantage. First, a little error in writing the program makes it work erratically. That means the result is incorrect or never finished. Second, has a dependency on the entered data, which in the worst case has complexity O and 2. Third, in general, it is unstable, namely changing the sequence of inputs in the final results or in the event that the input has the same value. Fourth, in programming language, Quicksort is in the stdlib.h library for C and the t-list and the t-string list class in Delphi or Object Pascal and Free Pascal.
And this is example of quicksort. First step, find the pivot item in the array. This item forms the basis of comparison for one round. Start the pointer, left pointer at the first item in the array. Start the pointer, right pointer at the last item in the array. Fourth step, if the value at the left pointer in the array is less than the pivot value, move the left pointer to the right at 1. Continue until the value at the left pointer is greater than or equal to the pivot value. Fifth step, if the value at the right pointer in the array is greater than the pivot value, move the right pointer to the left, subtract 1. Continue until the value at the right pointer is less than or equal to the pivot value. If the left pointer is less than or equal to the right pointer, then swap the values at this location in the array. Move the left pointer to the right one by one and the right pointer to the left one by one. And last one, if the left pointer and right pointer do not meet, go to step 1.
Conclusions. Quicksort is a sorting algorithm based on comparison with the divide and conqueror method. Quicksort algorithms sort very quickly, but they are very complex and process recursively. Quicksort algorithms are distinguished into requires and non-requires. The time requirements of a quicksort depends on creating a partition balance or not, which also depends on the element used as a pivot. There are three types of time complexity from the worst case quicksort T and is O, and so the best case T and is O, and log n, the average case. Suggestions. In quicksort algorithms, pivot selections is the most important part of determining whether this quicksort algorithm can provide the best or worst performance. Thank you for your attention. More or less sorry. That's the end of group presentations. Hopefully it will be useful for all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.